After successfully extruding a filament in your nozzle, you will now see the most important setup process for your 3D printer: the print bed leveling. When using the 3D printer for the first time, it is essential to be familiar with how to level the print bed, the X, Y, Z axis, before printing. This process ensures the user a good stick on the first print layer and a high-quality 3D print object. Most 3D printers use a 3-point leveling system in their print beds. According to CNC and other related equipments that use 3D principles, it is best to use this technique for flat and solid surfaces like our aluminum print bed. Notice that the screws form a triangle. This form is well known for its stability, as it is also used for trusses, roofing, and other building materials. In physics, if the 3 points of an equilateral triangle are leveled, then the plane is also level. The Z-axis must be leveled as well so that proper adhesion of filament is observed during printing. Before proceeding to the leveling of the print bed, make sure that the Z-axis sensor screw on this part of the printer is turned to its maximum. There are 2 ways of leveling your print bed, and one of these is done using a sheet of paper. Move the nozzle to the first reference point and click the Z Home button. When the Z-axis sensor screw is at its maximum, there will be an expected air gap between the nozzle tip and the print plate. Move the nozzle closer to the plate by rotating the Z-axis sensor screw slowly in a counterclockwise direction and click the Z Home button. You will notice that the nozzle moves closer to the print plate. Take note that when too much rotation is done on the Z-axis sensor screw, the nozzle tip will be pressed against the plate. If so, lift the nozzle tip by rotating the Z-axis sensor screw clockwise and click the Z Home button once more. Repeat the procedure until the distance reaches 100 microns. Place the paper on the plate and slide it. Once you feel a slight scratch or resistance on the surface, the distance of the first reference point is now correct. Next, lift the nozzle and move it to the second and third reference point. Then, click the Z Home button again. Check the distance with a sheet of paper. If the distance is too close, then the paper will not be able to pass smoothly through the gap between the nozzle and the print plate. You must therefore rotate the plate screw clockwise with the Allen key to lower the plate. If the distance is too wide, this means that the gap is more than 100 microns, which is not ideal for the filament to stick on the plate. You must then rotate the screw counterclockwise to lift the plate. Repeat the process until the proper adjustment is obtained. This would mean that the paper can now pass smoothly through the nozzle and the print plate. to check whether the print bed is leveled correctly. Place the sheet of the paper on the print bed and manually move the bed. Observe if the paper is now sliding smoothly between the nozzle tip and the print bed.
Another way of leveling the print bed is using the Auto Leveling Kit by Novio 3D. You can watch the separate tutorial video of Auto Leveling Kit to know how it works.
Your Novio 3D printer is successfully set and you are now ready to start your 3D print.